These are today's football predictions, mostly over market. So let's get started. The first game we have is in Spain La Liga, where Valencia is taking on Real Madrid, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. The next one is in England League One, where Peterborough is taking on Exeter, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. We move on to Brazil, where Cruzeiro EC is taking on Oberlandia EC, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. The next one is in England Premier League, where Brentford is taking on Chelsea, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. We move on to German Bundesliga, where SV Darmstadt is taking on Augsburg over 1.5 goals. We move to England League Two, where FC Flight is taking on Maidenhead, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals at full time. The next game we have here is a game between FC Heidenheim taking on Eintracht Frankfurt in German Bundesliga over 1.5 goals. We move on to England League One, where Derby County is taking on Port Vale over 1.5 goals. Still in German Bundesliga, we have a game between Wolfsburg taking on Stuttgart, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. Okay, guys, welcome to Moneyline. My name is Samuel. So extending greetings to your fellow viewers and also drop where you are watching us from. I want to say congratulations to those people that play our draws yesterday, and then we believe that our winnings will be constant this month of March. So let's continue winning. And if you want to join our VIP, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Okay, moving on, we have a game in England where Everton is taking on West Ham. My prediction is over 1.5 goals. Still in England, League 2, a game between Colchester United taking on Stockport County over 1.5 goals. Move on to a German Bundesliga where Nuremberg is taking on Eintracht Braunschweig, and my prediction is over 2. Then you will move back to England amateur division where ST Girl is taking on Salihumo, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. Back to German Bundesliga, we have a game between Mainz taking on Borussia Mönchengladbach. My prediction is over 2.5 goals. Back to England Premier League, where Tottenham is taking on Crystal Palace over 1.5 goals. In England amateur, we have a game between Boham Wood taking on Gateshead, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. Still in that England Amateur League, a game between Hartlepool United taking on Barnet over 1.5 goals. Temari Rovers taking on Sultan over 1.5 goals. West Ham taking on Accrington Stanley over 1.5 goals. Fulham taking on Brighton in England Premier League over 1.5 goals. Southampton Athletics taking on Southern United over 1.5 goals. Portsmouth taking on Oswald over 1.5 goals. Preston North and taking on Hull City in England Championship over 1.5 goals. Grimsby Town taking on Forest Green over 1.5 goals. Crewe Alexander taking on Morecambe over 1.5 goals. Newport County taking on Mansfield over 1.5 goals. Club Brugge taking on Yellow Red Mechelen over 1.5 goals. That is in Belgium Premier League. Then we move on to England amateur where Oslo City is taking on Aldershot Town over 1.5 goals. Partizan Belgrade taking on Zelenica in the Albania over 1.5 goals. We move on to German Bundesliga 2 where Hanover is taking on Fortuna. My prediction is over 2. Then the next game we have is in England Premier League, where Luton is taking on Aston Villa over 1.5 goals. The last game we have is the game between Nottingham Forest taking on Liverpool over 1.5 goals in the England Premier League. That gives us a total of 32 uh, teams, a total of 1,880 odds. Okay, guys, this is all we have for today. So I want to say thank you for joining us, and this is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. I'll also drop my basketball predictions for today 25 odds. That will be posted on this page, not as video but a screenshot photo. So that is for only people that watch my video till the end. So if you have watched this video till this moment, congratulations. Come back by 12 noon, you see that basketball predictions on this page. So if you have not followed us, kindly follow us so that you will not be missing out on all these prediction that we post later in the day. So congratulations once again for watching till this moment, and you'll be the first to play that basketball. Thank you so much. I will see you guys tomorrow.